What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some people, Auntie Donna must say some things toward Rosealee, and Rosealee respond to her. Yes, so I say also we have Shebada you know come defend Auntie Donna and done Rosealee. Yes, so I say we also have Shay expose Sky Diamond and show her picnic them and her baby father upon the live. Yes, so I say so we also have Jakes my people at the spa. I get him nice facial and something, you know what I mean, and we have other things, so I could jump right in it because I can't remember everything. So we wanna hear in the intro and I go see in the video. So I say also maybe we'll add more things as we go on, so I could get in it my people.
Annie will realize when she's okay, but at this point Annie is not okay. Annie is not okay at this point. So when Annie realizes that she's not okay, can't understand, you know. Annie have picked me from she young. Annie said she got a small island go sell her body. Annie said she fuck for feed her picnic them like myself, yeah. Cause me no better than Annie. Me might never gonna go sell my body, but me use my bottom mouth feed my top mouth. Cause any boy when me there with have to feed me. So me no different from Annie. The younger thing is that me have more sense than Annie. But any day Annie realize how much power she have in her hand, because I tell Annie if she ever light that coal stove every day another shackle there where she live in and that people love, especially over YouTube. Annie have how much power sit down over here beg like a croft. If me did have the talent them Annie have in a fair hand, me no sit down right as so. If Annie did have the, if me did have the talent them what Annie have in my hand, me sit down over YouTube cap. Foreign people in every nation and all country love authenticity. Annie make her content them good. Annie can dance, Annie can do everything. But Annie sit down and start taking self invitation. But I mean I like her. You definitely know you're past the third jump. I know you're on. I mean I like her. When you don't have her over here, turn her in a croft. Them say TikTok turn people in a croft, and I believe. I strongly believe that TikTok turn people in a croft. Because Annie have so much talent. Sitting down, taking insult for invitation and entering further into depression. But I mean I like her. Because me I talk the truth. I mean I talk the truth, so I mean I like her. Because you not sugarcoat the truth. Annie not happy over here. If Annie even over here, Annie can stay over here positive and get things.
Bro, my car is literally the coolest.
Jiggy body. I know Annie alone dirty. The whole of we are dirty people. Some of we hide with dirty pass. When you dig up your dirty pass, you come back for Annie. When you dig up your dirty pass, you come back for Annie. Because of that, you know, in their mind, because you talk the truth, you bring them down and you against them. Me not look no help, because me not bring down Annie. Me not look no help. Because me not bring down nobody. I am not looking any help. Imagine the whole only 8 Rosealee over here. But all when Rosealee asleep, 20,000 people are watching her asleep. What kind of madness is that? Only 8 somebody and 20,000 people watch her asleep. Pussy clad. And what the world gone to do? 20,000 people. Rosealee not even if you do nothing but sit down in front of her phone. Like how some of we have to kill up with self and talk. Some of we have to kill up with self and talk before 2 gifts come in. Some of we have to bring down Rosealee before 2 gifts come in. And Rose don't have to do nothing but sit down with the big back in a one chair. 20,000 people. And that to the hater found if you tell the truth. When you tell the truth and shame the devil. When everybody fall off. Swiss everybody. The whole of the big rank of them fall off. And now no Rose can fall off. It not send on no message. So you not get no message from it. It not send on no message. Any attack. And here's a Rosealee. And here's a Rosealee. Look on the big rank of them will fall off. And here's a Rosealee. You don't take that. into consideration. All in her sleep. Remember, say God prepared a table, I know. Anyhow, she just listen. She would have say, God prepared a table here. Oh, so nobody else over here now use Obia more than. Oh, and Rosalie have the biggest Obia man over here. Cute. When me tell you no say chat. Me not tell you say anybody got a fight for you go here say them a Obia worker. How long now me I tell you that? Mooney G, thank you. How long now me I tell you say everybody we gotta help and we gotta work for a Obia worker. No, them no wrong. Them no wrong, Pebbles. Pebbles, them no wrong. Of course, we are Obia worker for true one spirit to fight for we. After a human being, and a human being a fight for we, so them can't see. So them no wrong. Them don't wrong for true. And a Rose alone a Obia worker. And no found a neighbor a Obia worker. And them innocent. You know much neighbor in a ghetto community. I know where a Obia worker. When I know nothing about Obia, I never visit a Obia man. But them a Obia worker, you know why? Because when people are trying to put you down and you stand up firm like the rock of Gibraltar and you're Obia man big. Me tell you one story with my grandfather where one man did have to confess to my grandfather already. Long a while. My grandfather was a good soul and my grandfather was a big captain Wafinja. My grandfather was a big captain Wafinja, and when my grandfather work a wharf, them a Obia him a try kill him, and him can't dead, and the man where try after him I forgot to him go confess. So what a way your Obia man bigger than mine. So my grandfather said, which Obia man? Him say no long me a try after you, confess. God carry him go confess to my grandfather. Cause I try out for my grandfather all long and couldn't touch my grandfather. He have to confess to my grandfather. Cause who know Waf know say Waf a one dangerous place. So Waf Obia work right through for position.
This thing is broke. This thing is zooming. And we have so much feeling.
So we are going to clock something. We're going to clock something. Rosa Obia worker. But yet still the whole of CV not afraid to bring her down now. She not, none of them not afraid, so she turn them head behind them. So if you Obia walk up on the app, when no Obia man and work Obia, you want them so not afraid? Oh, not afraid. And so much on the panel. Me afraid of Obia walk coming. What about Uno? Me not.
Alright, my people. Tell me what you think in the comments. I'm not talk too much in that one. You know, I mean, you know, cute boss always come and talk the real things them. You so me I say she not sugarcoat nothing and she try not to be disrespectful. So make we get back in it.
Travel no Obia worker. Me afraid of Obia worker because them a work something where me can't see. So how you not afraid of her?
Flying way now.
See you people them especially.
Fifth jump, we go.
Oh, them not afraid.
Whoever made it.
Me dear.
Who's doing the sixth jump? There's
Me afraid of Obia worker, so me don't know about no. Cause me can't fight when me can't see.
jump we go. You know what, Jayden?
No, I'm not afraid. I'm not too brave. I'm not too brave over here. Me hear you say she tie jets. I want when people can tie man for mind them. At first me see that from a band. People are tie man for mind them. Cause at this point I was she a mind jets. So she tie him for mine him. What is
This much money. I'm gonna go over to the shop and I think I'm gonna buy one of these giant fuel cans.
Wait, you already have one?
Well, I didn't, but now I do, so it's fine. So I should be able to get past that next green part too, you know, the part that you guys can't get to. Yeah, whatever, we go. Wait, Jay, do you even have a V8 engine in your car? And no, you definitely don't. No, Waco, I don't. But
I try piss out of my hole, but the piss now come and look like my whole car cup. Forgot to take a wash out. Like my whole of my pussy car cup at this fine. Anyways now. Come again, we are going to clock one next year. And we are going to show you how the competition real. And we are going to show you something as much as.
you're never gonna get that.
And we are going to clock this as much as. GX are playing cards right. GX are playing card right, you know. But as much as I'm play the card right, I want to identify how the internet is making them compete against each other. Because Rose their Airbnb. I plan and put Jakes at Airbnb. You know make we clap that. So you know make we clap that and sister the people them a do it. You know make we clap that. And sister the people them a do it. And an enemy a do it too. You know make we clap that. Them did a go put Jakes a normal man at Airbnb. Come make we clap that. Them did a go put take up one normal man where suffer. And put him at Airbnb, give him one good life. Fever 1 3 days. Come now, come now. No come now. One of us says a plot twist to bring down Rosealee. Come we clap that now. Them did a go take up one normal somebody where suffer and just carry them go Airbnb. And one day Jake sister I want to set up this. You know what I want? Rose not laugh now, you know. Rose not laugh now. Rose not laugh now. A Rose sad moment now. But me I go tell you something. A Rose sad moment now. And all I will laugh. And all I will bring her down. And a Rosealee I go shame me at the end of Uno. That's when God a fight for people. Even though she rat now, she not take no telling. God not give up on her because she have a kind heart. She have a giving heart. When Rosealee nasty, she couldn't clean. Rosealee couldn't clean because she nasty. Because she born with a clean heart. Regardless. We couldn't come here perfect. She a fight for her life. It is time for Rose to install self-love and know that she don't need a man. Because Rose not go get a man for love her more than God. She not go ever get a man for love her more than God. She will not get a man to love her more than God. And I will for clap that, not Rosealee alone. And Rosealee alone for clap this. We're not going to find no boy will love her more than God. We need to clap this. So we not going to find no man that loves us more than God. You see, when you accept God love and you give back God that love, God send a bad man come. God send the right man come, a pure right boy come my way. I don't know about Uno. Me don't know about Uno. Me don't go through no trauma. Because from me, little me, I give God the glory. Me don't go through no trauma. Because God always has send a boy for love me. A pure take the boy them text it for me. That's why you never see me post a man yet because I have too much man. Me have man for pick choose and refuse from. Me full of too much man and you know why? Me can't disrespect none of them because all of them love me. So me have to just work with the program.
Really?
I mean,
that's why me no wear icky and that's why me no post man. Cause me not put one boy on pedestal and hurt the next one. Me have too much man because the way God give me man in abundance for love me. Them enough for me, chill alone. I'll walk me can go like custom, go clear them. Pure boy love me. Cause guess why? Cause me love God first. Me love God first. So God sent pure man as a sell pussy girl. Cause God see. Everybody born with them talent different place, you know. Annie born with her talent in her hand, you know. Annie born with her talent in her hand, which she for use for make money and stop take embarrassment over here and public disgrace. Me born with my talent in my pussy. You can't beat me for that. Everybody born with talent different players. I know my pussy me born with my talent because I fuck good.
okay, well, I'm like,
I fuck good. Send for your back.
Hello.
Thanks, baby girl.
You're welcome. I'm good.
Squeeze out the whole of my face with my iron sitting to my buckle at a jar on my face. A jar is sitting on my buckle at my face.
It's gonna feel fine like afterwards.
I to life to do it. Something to fuck.
You're gonna feel so fresh when you step out.
So the woman now sink it, yo.
It's alright, man.
Back.
What do you mean you're not coming back?
I'm not coming back.
It's just the extraction part.
The nicest part of that part, yeah. These are the nicest part.
Yeah. I told you, nice treatment only.
too bad.
Lifestyle!
Hey, man.
No, we have to be my friend. Lifestyle! I want it for your face.
I booked him in for a facial.
Lifestyle! You dog there in a apartment? No, dog. Like, you know, we did it for a face. Lord, my dog! So you can't talk, my dog. You can't talk. Nice girl.
Tell her thanks a million, man. Yeah, baby girl.
It's okay.
We love this here, my dog. We love this here, my dog. We not lie.
I'm gonna drop and let you guys play, okay?
Yeah, yeah.
All right then. See you later. Bye, babe.
What she say?
Yeah, you know what you say? No, my dog. But me, nobody never booked me no facial appointment. I want to me.
Alright, so my people, that's GX at the spa. You see me? And one thing me have to disagree with cute boss with me people. You see the tie for mine, like a woman tie a mine, a man and a mine him. Me have to disagree with that with cute boss, cause enough woman tie man with them have in mind. Yes.
Oh, nobody never booked me no facial appointment.
Oh, that's she said.
Woman hate me. Oh, nobody never booked me no facial appointment, Chad. Me blood clot, yo. You can't run pretty down right now. Chad, power top. You can't run pretty down right now. Right now, I hear a word, my dog. Right now, we just have to pay for living night. Chat to the power top. Hear a word, my dog. Right now, we just have to pay for living. Live here. Right now, just pay, we have to pay for living. Chat to the power top the screen, chat. So why else book my dog? Fingernail cut, manicure and pedicure and everything there. Yo, we love this my friend. Yo, nice to see you. Take care of dog, you know.
Yeah. I was listening to 4%.
We never got facial place yet. Nobody never booked no appointment for me. Sitting on the balcony, getting everything planned out. Life. Chad, power job. So what is planned for you, my dog?
Yeah, I got from my house, brother.
Bokla, little more a bit. Little more. You go out tomorrow?
What?
Me happy feed dog, me nah lie. Me happy feed dog, eh? Yeah. That power job. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, me dog. Face smooth when you done, still a big up. No blackhead, none of them things. The face smooth when you done, me dog. Yeah, man. Yeah. And the media win again. Don't fuck with the media. Don't fuck with the media. Media win again. Don't fuck up. Don't fuck up the media. Hey, the voodoo. Hey, what are them out there? I swear to God, bro. That poet at my side. Yeah, man. Top man life. Don't like there. Top man life, my friend, I live. Woman never pay for enough for facial yet, you know. Me neither. Top man life. Airbnb well book out. Me can't hear you, bro. Like you're mute.
You know hear me?
Yeah, man. I hear you now.
Depend 3%. That
Yes,
very much and jump off again.
Where's the Swiss party Friday?
I call the driver to come for me.
Yeah, where's the Swiss party Friday? Me come for you, dog. Me drive, you know. Me drive, you know, dog. Me come for you, you know, have to buy no liquor, you know, me buy.
Come for me then, come for me. Yeah. No
You
problem.
see your thing,
Come
bro.
here,
Me
yeah.
forward for you, you know.
Yeah, that must say man forward.
Alright then, there's 2 or something Friday that I'm forward for you, my friend. I want you. Blood clot there, bro. Come on. Enjoy yourself. Up there, my friend. Man, be a girl wine pie. Oh shit, sorry. Remember say.
Man forward.
Yeah, Friday we have a party, my friend. Go and charge up.
God is mighty power, moving every hour per rose. Thanks, guys. Guys, stop the scream. Say, hey, guys. I miss a guy. No, man, no wicked to rose, you know, no wicked, no set up rose. Say, feel. On a no say,
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section as I say I don't talk too much. You know what I mean? Tell me what you think if rose is delusional. And most time you find fat women still, you know, because them insecure, them get a look, you know what I mean, like attention from a man, and them invest them whole time and everything in night. You see what I say? Because right now Rosealee look a man, you know. She kick out for her man, you know, my people. You see me? So she look a man, you know, so boy, tell me what you think.
Jakes are the rose thing, so I want to make Akim do this to Rose. And she say, for sure,
It's worse with Akim do that
Akim I run the joke with Rose. Rose take the looking over. The man, Rose start talk about sex and back shot and suckle, and the boy if you bring them argument to you. That's how desperate she is.
Yep, but she put the
Guys, stop sending gift, guys. Send the gift, guys. Guys, because I not eat too much weeks now. Hungry, I kill me. Like hungry like a dog. Hungry like a dog. Just clap me like off my pot. Don't
here you know, sugar like off a pot. No, sir. So everybody gone one day. So everybody gone back to reality now. Airbnb is over. Everybody got back to reality now. Airbnb days.
Guys, send the gift, guys. Thanks, guys.
No, sir.
Send me some money, gone. My carb towel out cloth. Chicken back on my best friend and tin mackerel and my mother. Yeah, sardine and my brother and my sister. Yeah. Rose too workless, man. Rose could have buy a house or build up something or do something. But what she do, she fight against GX, and I said the whole heap. Remember she see one come out and say, GX do this to her and do that to her. Then she come back and say, who I go take care of me? GX wash me this and GX do me this. GX not all that bad. Why? Thanks, guys. Thanks, guys. Yeah, mama, I have to eat chicken back tonight. Yeah, yo. Now look on Rose. Because I don't know who Rose, but she put on gurgle. She'll squeeze up the blood clot gurgle. But I put on the gurgle, you know. And I wear, thank you, guys. And I wear the pumpkin blood clot suit. The favor one pumpkin.
I wish you find a different color pumpkin skirt.
She find this little humpy dumpy skirt because she humpy dumpy in a blood clot. Thank you, guys. Eh?
Mr. Rose people are wicked.
They wicked. Two our man didn't like her.
I go over there on them live, you know, and them I say, why me I tell you the truth? I say, go over, I say, go in all our comment. Them I say, give her a chance, but I say, I have no chance again. I say, go with every comment and see how my class are up.
She, like Rose make Akeem come clone around.
That's the biggest, you know, the biggest disrespect she get from Akeem.
Yeah, from Akeem, for real.
You know, long Akeem want to let down the series. You know, see, from Akeem take over the something, Akeem no look pan her.
No look pan her.
And she have beg him. One time she used to dep on, when it just start, me go cut the series, but now she have beg him. She want to continue. Why I said, me hear Akeem said to her before the series done, and I say, people are gonna ball and people are gonna cry. You know what that mean? You have man, me have woman.
But in the year she said during the series, and when the series are going at that time she and Jakes have sex. Every night she and Jakes have sex. That's what she's saying, Auntie?
Of course. Of course. But guess what she want to do now? I come talk about Akeem sleep with her and Akeem a breed her. Akeem can't breed nobody.
Yeah,
because body belongs to another Ken.
Yo, me like that way body belong to another Ken.
And if Akeem did I go sleep with you, Rose, we know him would have put on protection. Akeem can't stomach Rose. You know, if you notice how Akeem smart, which man know where you say you're going to do it in your future, man? And him go bring you on one Airbnb more than bring it, and him have a nice yard where him alone live. And it's the same thing with Diamond. Figure it out, no bring she a fee yard neither. What's wrong with Diamond and Rose? Too clown.
Auntie, me think Diamond understand Wagwan, but Rose not understand.
Diamond don't understand nothing at all. She would not lead her Rose. She don't understand how she's worse than her Rose, because she's supposed to have little sense. More than Rose, she worse than her Rose. If you have your friend and you can't tell your friend the truth, you're not a friend at all.
So Auntie, where the year Diamond said she shit in a bucket in a over 120-year-old boy yard? What kind of something that she go admit?
That for sure says she not right either. And she feel good how she said that to that says she a flap by her. You now flap the boy and yourself you flap.
No.
Because you're a bigger woman for the boy. And if you why you gonna put yourself with a boy where you could have the boy? The boy could have be your son. So where they want it, where they want shit in her. Bag.
Exactly, 21-year-old boy that they get to. Which things say him go have? He not go have house all and care. I'm 21. So if the fact him have a little room for himself, that's
Diamond don't understand the assignment, because Diamond didn't understand the assignment. Diamond would have tell our friend Rose, it's a move, it's a little series. Diamond notice when Diamond really want the boy in her skin. Diamond really want something to be real, but the boy like cute girl, nice girl. The boy them have the reason why he would have like Diamond, because Diamond kind of look like man royal, and most of them bisexual man they like. The school them don't want to look like say a man, them go to girl where look like man. You understand? So that it may be like Diamond, but me know say with Diamond appreciate her face. Why she don't show her real face? Oh, why every time you come out with this fake face? Oh, my sister. Hey, my sister. Why Diamond so confident? Why Diamond can come up on the film, on the page with the man and put on her real face? My sister cannot do that. She can't do that one. Because if she do that one, it's gonna be trouble. Worries in the dance. Worries tonight. The boy going to run, huh?
No, sir.
They can't put their face on. They're afraid. Why were you afraid your face?
People, as I said on the title of my video yesterday, seeing like me I say, if one thing say Rosealee spitefully, you see me I say, so what she say on the live, knowing say the people them we come for her picnic, and what if she call them attention to that and make them come for the picnic because she want to get rid of Jakes? Tell me what you think, me people. We have to pre them people up on TikTok, you know.
Huh? My God. That's not you, oh. That's not you, oh.
So, Auntie, why every time somebody call Dima oh, she gets so upset?
Ha. Ha. Because the truth hurt, huh?
No, ma'am, if never see somebody upset, say, when somebody said...
Because she know it's the truth they talking. Because he know that is the truth they talking. And when they talking the truth, he don't like it. And he upset him.
No,
but if you should talk, huh? If you should talk and say, oh, the boy want him, the boy need him, he laugh, huh? Did you see when they say, oh, the boy want you, Diamond? He say, and when they say the boy don't want you, he goes, huh? You have to understand them, you know.
No, but Auntie, Duchess, them when they must say old, they must say Diamond is old compared to the little boy them where she had date. Understand, Auntie? Them, you know, because she young, 44, not old. But compared to the little boy them where she had date, yeah, you're an older woman. But you put yourself
Manster could have be our son because
exactly.
People have picked the 13, 14, 15 and she never have to come and because sometimes you bring down people yourself, you bring down.
Yeah, because the bucket thing, she thinks that Monster she bring down herself.
She thought she was bringing down Monster, but no, Diamond, you didn't bring down Monster. You bring down yourself and make the people realize that you're nothing but a shit in a bucket. Girl.
Yep. Exactly.
It's a no shame on Monster, because he's a man. He's a man.
And he's a young boy at the time. And he's a young boy.
You're a big old long time 1900 Annie Palmer looking woman.
Because Auntie, she said the boy at 21, which little boy did he get to have house and land and care at 21? She said the boy never have nothing. At 21, you're not supposed to have nothing. We expect a 21-year-old boy that he get to, you're lucky saying he don't want a little room for himself. Some 21-year-old.
Thank God.
Yes.
So with Diamond, that's why I said Diamond only bring down herself.
So she never embarrassed him. He's 21. We don't expect
she
him to have
embarrass
nothing.
the boy. The boy, unlike the boy say, so you love shit in a bucket because you come back.
For a whole year and a half.
So the end of the day, guys, Diamond is to be blamed for that. The better she never argue with the boy and say, she talks to the boy shit in a bucket and the boy shot her and the boy this, that, not do nothing I say. Nothing.
No, never do. I'm 21. He's 21. We don't
understand?
Diamond
is a big woman. Diamond for respect her crutches. She fuck too much. She fuck her cholo. You fuck too much and no man now stay with you because you know give your pussy no rest. Your pussy need rest. Your pussy tired. Your pussy need rest. As one man to another man, and because you fuck. Nobody stop you from fuck. But you know, low that you fuck too much, man, and then every minute you just fuck there, and then
all them bring her down. Not man until the little boy them a bring her down.
Oh Jesus.
Yeah. Very derogative. Very derogative. And instead, look here, man. So I'm not take it back. You see, we women, if you come together, stand together as one, we can
leave them same way. So if Rose you know the thing, problem, nothing wrong with that.
This is the reason, miss. This is the reason why I can't actually attest to why slavery occurred. Because if this is how black people were, that is why we end up in the shit where we end up in a. Yep. That is why women are living like this. We not unite. Everything will happen. Nobody is willing to spit the just. Nobody is willing to say whether or not the worst is an abuser. Make us separate them. Let them be by themselves because they don't do well together. They're toxic together. Make us separate them. Right? Akeem didn't do this. This been happening way before Akeem. That video that I saw, that video was way before Akeem. You understand? Them chops that she have, the cuts and the chops that she have on her body, the chops and the cuts that she have on her body was way before Akeem.
Akeem just rose from eyes. That's what Akeem did. Give her
I'm read the boy there. I guess them there talk like me. I say, him try.
But I got like she have enough haters too. I got enough of this haters because Akeem go for her.
They couldn't believe that somebody, and I'm saying, at the end of the day, what is wrong with her? What wrong with her? But why somebody not love her? What wrong with her?
I just fat and that's about it, so what them problem? But what me I say is, the whole of them for leave her, and the whole of them for come on for Akeem back.
All the
whole of them, Akeem bring back confidence in her rose so much.
You me say?
All the mama
let him alone.
All the mama accused him last night. Yeah, all she too. The whole of them is the Rose Godmother. And a Rose Godmother.
Yes.
Never say that. Yes. A Rosealee Godmother, you know. GX mother, GX say it.
So if your godmother treat you so,
Godmother.
If your godmother,
and GX is the same no Rosealee.
If your godmother treat you so, you know see as a person say GX are done in the street. That's why one man, that's why such man when you say come out and say Rosie went by such man something. I don't know if you remember when such man come out and say it. When him and Rosie are cuss. And he said, go on by your business, can you buy such man that?
Easy.
I'm done. And that's why they're afraid of him. Not having popo, of course.
That's why you notice so many times she not try to reel up that much, guys. She know what him do. And him is a thief too.
The man a gun. Look here, the boy is a gunman and a killer for him a 13-year-old. I don't know. I found him at 13.
Yeah, but can you tell us no outside?
I'm not telling you something. Do not think CD is not going to look at these
control
things.
The panel. I'm going to ask if you control the panel for a minute. Yeah? Alright.
Don't think that CD is not looking at. You don't think CD don't have a record? You don't think so? You don't think that CD is looking into all of these things? You don't think so? You don't think when them ask the kids them, have you ever seen daddy hit mommy? What did mommy do? What happened to mommy? You don't think, how did that make you feel? But you don't think they're asking them these questions?
Amari say, the Amari have no pitney and firing, you know. Amari say, 6 of fair pit them, they get take away, you know. Amari say, and the kids them have the last talk. Yes. The kids them have the last talk right now. Say if a Rosealee. You understand me?
Tree for the people them there CDA. Rosealee go every day. Exactly. And you go 3 days. And people they on the upper top, but Jakes a bit.
Me people, it don't matter what them people are say, right? Never you mess with a person who have their money, whether woman or man. Yeah, you could have $1 million popo.
The house, we don't have sense now. Come look on the little square there. It's less than a square where my bill is. Want to explain to me which part? Which part you not gonna put?
They mean I say the bedding them I make yesterday. So you not do no.
Oh, me I say I post him. Something they post him I put up. Column.
But them say the house finish. I make.
Uno fool. Jakes always Jakes.
No. And not no bill. The bed no make yet.
Look here. In a Jakes house, Jakes mother and the whole of Jakes family go live. Can they live no way? Only just build house for the family and for the kids them.
Auntie Donna, come here. May I send a message to you? I see you come on social media and I don't know you and you don't know me. You see one little clip is out there with me, my baby father. And You know, so the kids is at CPS. And your ending result is to come on the internet and say, oh, they must not get back their kids because them too toxic. Auntie Donna, old time people used to say, if you not have good for say, no say nothing. If you don't have good for say, no say nothing. Stick up in. You have child that come from broken homes, become doctors, lawyers, nurse, and engineer in the world. I have child that come from good family background, rich people background. They don't have sister center right now on the sidewalk, mad out. That a one pin me go stick another pin. Stop mix the internet with real life. Stop make the internet with real life. You see, the internet sell story, controversy, rumors, all type of something. This is the devil's playground. And for a big woman with kids and grandkids, the least you could have come and say is that Rosealee and Jake need to sort out their differences. When they get back their kids, they need to come to a conclusion how to parent. Since that we can see that they're not getting along well or they're not together, they need to work on that. When them get back them picking them figure out what them are gonna do. It's either the kids are gonna their son during the week, or the kids are gonna their son on the weekend because them not together. We never say that. Pray that we get back our kids. Pray that we sort out our differences, and pray that we'll become a better parent. Stop judge. Stop mix the internet with real life. Because Auntie Donna, if I was mixing the internet with real life, you do charity something. You do charity funding. I mean, know charity people normally walk around and look for the poor and needy, the sick, the handicapped, beg for them, and teeth out tight, and the things them, beg for them, scrape out of it, reach out of it, and the things them. So if I was mixing the internet with real life, I would say on the internet, Donna, you look like a con artist, but I don't know you, so I can't judge. That's what I see on the internet about you. I see he's a con artist on the internet, Auntie Donna. And that would be me. When I walk when I use people weakness and beg for them and teeth out tight. That's what me think. So me I use when I sip on the net, but I don't know in a real life in Auntie Donna. That's when I sip on the net. And I can't judge of what I can't judge you after when I see on the net. I don't know in a real life. So I just make it stay. It is my opinion about you. I, Rosealee, don't mix internet with real life. When I'm on the internet, I am at work. And when I'm on outside of the net, I want total different Rosealee. Total different Rosealee. So you don't know me, don't judge me. I have never beaten my kids, put any bruises on them, put any scars on them. I fed them, send them to school. I'm a mother. Not a mama, a mother that makes sacrifice for them. And then you know I'm still on the net, even though they dragged me, fling me, dust me.
You see, sometimes people, you have to just stay in a lane and see people business and just bypass it. You know what I mean? Sometimes you want to say something, you know. But you see, when you have a reputation to maintain certain way, you have to just allow certain people because them we go very, very low. You know what I mean? And this is in a wickedest way. So let me know what I think.
The things them, because what? I call this my workplace to make bread for my kids. Stick another soft pin. When the police then they come in my house, come video me naked and put over social media, I know I get no justice from nowhere. What was your thoughts? How comes I never seen a video about you? Oh, because she's on the internet and she's big and she's dirty and she's nasty. I wanna classify me as a big dump. Stop judge me. You don't know me from nowhere and I don't know you. Pray for me. Pray for long life, success, that I get back my kids and do the right thing. We all make mistakes. We all do make mistakes. And when I'm on the net, I'm acting. And when I'm in real life, it's two different persons. Don't mix the internet with real life. We never know say me and Jake's planet. To create the one shit like that and give and views and the things. I don't know what's wrong with someone on the internet. When you feel like that me and Jake's planet for views and hype on the net. We don't feel that plan the planet. We don't think so. Stop mix the internet with real life. And I don't always use and judge people. And I don't know them in person, and I use one character, one person when they put on for the net like a show and judge them. Learn to know people before you talk. Because I could have come on the net and talk what I say about you. But I don't, because I don't know you. And I'm not like that. I'm not that person. Pray for me, Auntie Donna, for long life and success. That I get back my kids. Pray for me, Mama. I rest my peace.
Too far still, but
conclusion, how to parent. Is it could have come and say is that stop with the internet with real life. Is the internet sell story, controversy, rumors, all type of something. This is the devil's playground. And for a big woman with kids and grandkids, the least they could have come and say is that Rosealee and Jayden to sort out the differences.
You see, this is the prime example of persons who are bask in a way they enable as them do this. You know everything where people should have been saying. You know everything where you want people to say, but you would never work towards it. Why you work against it? Controversy. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you mean Miss Donna, who is a big woman, have grandkids, and the lady couldn't come and say, you and Jakes need to work out on the differences. How dare Miss Donna to come and talk about, say, you and Jakes to work out on the differences. After 12 years of nastiness, 12 years of nastiness, if you know, say that's what Miss Donna should have said, why you and him never settled that over 12 years? You now give the lady none of your problem, you keep the whole of them. You're too out of order, big no sweet.
When they get back the kids, they need to come to a conclusion how to
When which summer, which holiday, which winter, which autumn, what kind of spring? Irish spring? You work for the get back the kids? You work towards getting back the kids?
Since that we can see that they're not getting along well or they're not together, you need to work on that. When them get back them figure out what they're gonna do. It's either the kids are gonna there so during the week and the kids are gonna there so on the weekend because they're not together. We never say that. Pray that we get back our kids.
Who ever really go down in a sackcloth and ashes and pray for Rosealee and get back her picnic them? Who? Pray and get back the picnic them for what? For putting away. If you go buy weed, if you go buy a cigarette, if you go buy a special. When the two entitled, and this I want to expect from people at all times. When you do the shagries, people must always come up and congratulate you and soft on the feet. It brings me right back to how I speak on the app when everybody say me a tear down woman. Now, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. She want Miss Donna. She would like Miss Donna to come and tell her everything when makes you feel whole in a situation that she's perpetuating. You get what me I say? She want Miss Donna to keep her comforted in all of that, But guess what? When me talk on the app and say them girl I forgot suck them mad and them girl a bitch, them girl a suck, them girl a dog shit, them girl a him eat woman and him eat this and look how she do jakes in front of the boy mother. We see Rosealee leave her yard, go down a Jake's yard, going down a Jake's, go provoke the man to the point where she want him liquor. For all of this just go AY. Fee, me know she just sit down so with one band-aid and say, yeah, me and Akeem a go later. Yeah. And that she want. I know she come now. And I play a victim. And I tell you guys, Jakes is the victim in this. Me tell you Jakes is the victim. I'm gonna eat Jakes to the point when I want to use a sour dirty failure hole. And talk about, I stand with the female, go suck your mama. Go suck out the deepest part of your mother. Go suck your mother off a menopause and drink her sorry we underneath her. We back up like traffic.
Pray that we sort out our differences and pray that we'll become a better parent. Stop judge. Stop mixing.
She pray that they become a better parent. I don't understand how we should singular plural. I don't know what Rosealee trying to say. But anyways, overlook that part then.
With real life. Because Auntie Donna,
what is real life? You doing that video in your Airbnb in a real life. You are trying steam rice last night in a real life. What is real life? What is real life? Because all of this and a drama again, because the pit them get take away. You're no longer dramatized. No, you're traumatized. Alright.
Mixing the internet with real life. You do charity something. You do charity funding. I mean, know charity people normally walk around and look for the poor and needy, the sick.
Charity people don't walk around and look for poor and needy. You're wrong. Poor and needy walk around and look for the charity. Come on.
Handicap. Beg for them.
Alright, my people, so I run through this. I don't have much to say. I make Shebada do the whole of the talking. I want to tell me what you think in the comments, so I could listen some more.
And teeth out tight. And the things them.
Also, Auntie Donna teeth, then me never tell no life. Auntie Donna even teeth out of the charity money. Me not blame her because me never did go be all life. Me not so faithful. Before God and all mankind, me never tell no life. We not give me too much money for give nobody. We don't give me too much money. Me go take out my allowance. Me go take out my taxi fee. Me take out my lunch money. And me go take out some money because me know me go owe somebody something one day in a life. Please do not give me any money. So all of this now make no sense. Rosealee, when the liar money there when Nikki send come give. Where Barbz bicycle, oh, we not hear vehicle, it have Barbz half I did. Rosealee, a whole heap of teeth, your teeth. Whole heap of teeth, your teeth. Rosealee, very come on the app, your teeth, and I tell lie. So tell me where Auntie Donna do what you know. Yes, my baby. So tell me where Auntie Donna do what you know. Come.
Beg for them, scrape out of it, reach out of it.
So on to that, as she beg for them. She go for the poor and needy project. Why you never do it? You never say you want $2,000 for cook food in the homeless. Okay.
And the things them. So if I was mixing the internet with real life, I would say on the internet, Donna, you look like a con artist. But I don't know you, so I can't judge. That's what I see on the internet.
You know Miss Donna, but because you're baby, you don't remember the woman she leave her market back then you are with your captains. You don't remember.
But you, I see the con artist on the internet.
Latin, deflection.
And that would be me. When I walk on I use the people weakness and beg for them and teeth out tight. I thought me think. So me I use when I sip on the net, but I don't know in a real life in Auntie Donna. I thought me sip on the net and I can't judge of what I can't judge you after when I see on the net. I don't know in a real life.
And that's you do everybody. The funny part about you, you judge everybody wrongfully. But you see, everybody on the net that judge you, them judge you correctly. And that is your problem, you know, read between the lines.
Somebody does make it stay.
Anything to avoid taking accountability.
I Rosalie don't mix internet with real life. When I'm on the internet, I'm at work.
Oh!
I want me on outside.
Okay. So if the internet is an illusion, why you call it work? If whatever Miss Donna see on the app should not be spoken about, right? Tell me the truth now. More somebody explain that statement here to me. She just said that everything the internet is the devil's playground and blah blah and blah blah. That means where you do you so? Where you try say? Where do you work for Miss Donna to get it wrong? Because it must be working in the devil's playground. So nothing what Miss Donna say is an illusion. You understand me? Me not understand. Hey, them people have done cinnamon. You're at work. And it's the same workplace where the children them are there. And so nasty. Miss Donna never knows this man can't live in a dog shit. So you're right, you're damn right. If I mean like you must stop talking. And that's why enough of us say me tear down women. And that's why enough of us say all me do is tear down women. I'ma always ask, what kind of woman me tear down? Eh? No one always say, you know why? Because when time the girl them when disgrace themselves on the app and come and talk about them make videos like this and not fall in a pity for them and say, oh yes it's true and him always has said this and always has said that. One on there, may I come there? Again. Don't like dropping emotions. When I like drop emotions in the things, I saw on the stay. Yeah? Auntie Donna forgot clean Rosalee house, and that Rosalee should have said, open a charity foundation. Auntie Donna need to put her skill to use and get her cleaning people and go to Rosalee house, go boom it down with some freshener. Yeah? I want to castle Rosalee living now. Rat a castle, Rosalee living on. Yeah.
When I walk when I use the people we Auntie Donna. I thought I sip on the net. And I can't judge of what I can't judge you after when I see on the net. I'm not knowing in real life. Somebody does make it stay. It is my opinion about you. I Rosalie don't mix internet with real life. When I'm on the internet, I am at work. I want me to outside of the net. I want total different Rosalie.
One nasty Rosalie and the evidence there. The evidence there. You see how people lie and wicked. Me say I don't know if she and Annie which one of them are the wicked sister. But me can't believe the two of them drop out the same mother. And don't know.
Total different Rosalie. See, you don't know me, don't judge me.
What's the name of the back you?
I have never beaten my kids, putting the bruises on them, putting the scars on them.
Rosalie says she has never beaten her kids. And we slung us and she fling things up at Shanta numerous times. Now the last time she beat Shanta and Jakes and she catch up on live. Me no know Rosalie and Annie have Laverne, you walk a piece and now member.
I fed them, send them to school. I'm a mother.
I want to play, but I've never been.
Outside of the net, I want total different Rosalie. Total different Rosalie. So you don't know me, don't judge me.
Hear this.
I have never beaten my kids, putting the bruises on them, putting the scars on them. I fed them, send them to school.
Rosealee, me sit down on the internet and watch you and Jakes kick off, and the people them don't eat until Jakes come in the night and I cook. Rosealee, when you and him friend up back, me now ask you, me sit down and sip on the net where you and Jakes kick off, and me see say you call Jakes when you feel like when you see that dust down and hungry about you. Me sit down and see that. I'm say that girl you're wicked. Anytime Rosealee and Jakes kick up, the people them eat extremely late. People can't wicked and lie, so. What land there?
I'm a mother.
What kind? Which part? When?
Not a mama, a mother.
At least I'm spitting on face, I couldn't be judging her. Oh.
That makes that.
Any of me a judge and she come in a courthouse, I'm spitting on her face. Me give her a serious cock too.
Makes sacrifice for them.
What kind of sacrifices Rosealee make for your people them? Tell me the truth. Number one, we have never seen Rosealee get up, put on her clothes and treat Chantal like a child by going to PTA meeting. Miss Lonia sound no good. Me witness that. Oh. So me don't know what kind of take care you take care of your picnic them. Me don't know the baby in the house say, Mommy you're there and it feel like you know they're here. Barbz say I hardly love you. Rosealee, me not like you do this to CPS and CDA. You are just do this. You send out this because you want that video. I don't know if somebody tell you say have some positive videos out there talking about your children, because you really don't talk about your kids in a particular way, you know. So people don't you see this kind of video. Somebody tell her to do this. Me now ask you. Rosealee, this now cut no dash. Oh, cause all of this is a lie. All of this is a lie. Lie from the pit of hell. Lie.
You know, I'm still on the net, even though they drag me, fling me, dust me, do the things them, because what? I call this my workplace.
No. That's not the only reason why. That's not the reason why you're on the net. That's not the reason why you're on the net. That's not true. Rosealee, you're on the net because you're lazy. You're on the net because you're lazy. And when I say lazy, you got yourself a small room that coming like say is a magic one can clean. All they have to do, roll. Come in now, go say get up, you have too much belly and back for dry your back. Roll. Put your foot down there, draw the map from the bed and come like this. Wadam! And we're clean. That's all you have to do. Oh, so much.
Me people, let me tell you something saying. Me hear a lot of people that say, yo, fat people, them are the best chef and ray and this and that. Most fat people nasty. You hear me tell you? Most fat people nasty, because you see through them eat and them have the whole heap of clog up and this and that and ray. Them lazy, them don't want to move around, because moving around is like hard work for them. You understand? So them stationary most of the time. Them don't want to move around, so that you find say boy them place nasty enough for the time, and then you see me. So Rosealee I go nasty because she fat. You see me, I say once she shed some of the weight in my people and can move around easily, you know, she a go do a lot of things like clean up her place, you know, but for now we have to see say boy the laziness take over. You understand? And she not gonna move around like slim people. You have fat people who are clean still, you know what I mean? But for the most part, most of them nasty.
Rat shit in your drawer. These are the stuff we're talking about. Ain't about the reason why you're still on the net as much as how they dragged you. Because you're lazy. You're lazy. If you were on the net doing what you're supposed to be doing, trust and believe nobody wouldn't drag you. Oh.
Bread for my kids.
What bread? You don't make bread for no kids, because the kids only eat when time you and Jakes having a good time. So you and for the kids you make bread.
Stick another soft pin. When the police them will come to my house, come video me naked and put over social media, I know I get no justice from nowhere. What was your thoughts? How comes I never seen a video about you? Oh,
That is not the case. Police them coming in your house because Jake's run from the cops. This is how the cops operate. Police them coming in your house because Jake's run from the cops. Now, if you make a sturdy case of flash forward, check the levels, Jake's video in your house and put it on the app because you are a pathological liar. You're a pathological liar, so Jake's have to do them something there. Yes. So, Miss Donna, I've not thought from police exposing you. And besides, police exposing you is the best thing it has ever done for you financially. Now, all the house still looks. The police, them leave the camera in there. Because it's still worse than how the police, them leave it. How the house looks so. Eh? So, what kind of thoughts, Miss Donna, have on it when you monetize it? You never have no shame and you still don't feel no way. A girl will feel a way, never make this situation happen to her again. How you feeling in the Airbnb after you come out of the garbage pan? You're supposed to feel weird.
because she's on the internet and she's big and she's dirty and she's nasty.
But it's true. You're on the internet, you're big, you're dirty, and you're nasty. And that is so true. The adjectives are right, they're correct. It's not a lie. You're big, obviously. You're dirty, obviously. And you're nasty, obviously. So what is the problem? You're big, dirty, and nasty. I am little, nasty, not too dirty. Yeah, not too dirty. So your system is not gonna like you yet.
That's not classify me as a big dump.
That's not how we classify it. That's what you introduced us, baby girl. That's how you introduce yourself to us. Honestly. Honestly to God. We didn't class it no way out of your box.
Stop judge me, you don't know me from nowhere and I don't.
We're not judging you, lady. We're using all your steps. We're not judging you. We're just reminding you of who you are. What you show to us. You see, it's better I show you than tell you. And that's what you did. All I know, you're not tell us say you're nasty, you know. As God live it, if we for sit up on the internet and say you tell us that you're nasty, we would be lying. All I know, you don't tell us that, but you show us. And you show it several times. Yeah, and you show it. You show it how nasty you are. Remember say you pile up period just your man wash. When you could have easy way to sit down there, scoops and put the blood for soak. Remember?
You pray for me. Pray for long life, success, and I get back my
Long life and success, I would never pray for you, Rosealee. Number one, if you have 12 years of slavery, and you still not learn nothing, you walk through sufferation only to come sit down on the app and behave like a nincompoop after them and give free money. After God take you out of the sun and take away the stale peanut them from you and put you here so make you spend US when you used to spend local currency. You want prayer now at this stage and everybody are telling the truth. You call it backlash. Make up your mind. Who this? I'm gonna know who you know. Yeah. You pick them Ghana Akeem your new son. And Akeem you hold up and own up. You don't want back your kids. Number one, you dress better, go look for Akeem than how you dress to go look for your picnic them. Remember your foot back dirty.
right thing. We all make mistakes.
Well, what kind of mistakes? What kind of mistake you make? What kind of mistake you make to get up this morning and address Auntie Donna after you just go visit Jakes with knife? What kind of mistake you make? Because this is a mistake. This message is a mistake now. You're still making mistakes. Are you talking about mistakes? You see this message is a mistake to Auntie Donna. Auntie Donna. Eh? You see you still make mistakes.
We all do make mistakes.
We all. Eh? We all make mistakes, but only
people, you know what I learn in life for a longer time. Don't run down woman nor you see me I say a boss. And that me learn, never you run down woman or man. You see me I say, make me know what I think.
Even at them, you do.
And when I'm on the net, I'm acting.
Oh, you're acting on the net? Revelation, truth and reveal. She's acting on the net. So no case where she come to know it is serious and true. You hear? She said it. She's acting. So none of the cases that she come with truthful. Okay.
I mean, real life is two different persons. Don't mix the internet with real life.
Nasty and nasty.
We never know Sammy and Jay explain it. Forget one she like and say gift and views and the things them. And then what's wrong with some own body?
So, as she and Jay explain this enough for gifts and views. So, CDA plan we don't have to take the kids. So if you and Jay explain this, or Jake's not invited at the apartment now and cook your part of rice, you know. Wicked girl, listen on. Wicked, you say wicked girl is wicked dirty girl. She want to start look on Jake sideways now. Yeah, come up, man.
When you feel like that me and Jake's plan is the views and hype on the net. We don't feel that
views and hype man, Akeem don't get the highest hype. A Jake's come and crash Akeem. Go on.
The planet. We don't think so.
Yeah.
Stop mix the internet with real life.
Your tongue big like insult.
That not always use and judge.
I'm out favor batty holy man.
Because I don't know them in person and they use one character, one person or when they put on the net like a show and judge them. Learn to know people before you talk. Because I could have come on the net and talk what I say about you. But I don't because I don't know you.
Rosealee, you flop.
I'm not that person.
You flop. You flop.
Pray for me, Auntie Donna, for long life and success.
You can't deal with success. You can't deal with success. You cannot deal with success. Oh, you can't deal with success.
I tell you, I have a deal. So either you take it or you leave it. Wait. Any day you come here and own this little boy, remember me tell you, me carry sure in front of you come show you. Any day you come here and own him. As long as you not own him, you not get sure. Because I realize you're obsessed with sure. So any day you own this little boy, your own flesh and blood, where you bring forth, you carry this little boy come here on the earth. 2 pitney you have 9 months you bring them for. 9 months. And any day you own him, my child sure come give you. Any day you own him and stop talking about the little girl alone, I bring sure in front of the camera and give you. And say Sky, say sure ya. Any day you own him and bring him come. Bring him and own him, I carry sure come. Take that deal then. Cause I don't know how a mother like you could have ever come on the internet and want to bring down people pitney. And you're one, you're not one. Imagine you carry a child. Me come and tell you, say me give away for me one them, but you may never come this one them. Sure and JR is mine. Whether I give them away, I sell them capture them, it no matter, is for me them. Sure and JR is mine. So any day you come on TikTok and own this little boy, I bring sure in front of you and say Sky here is sure. Own him and show me him. I'ma bring sure in front of you. Deal. That is a deal. And that day there, the whole of you go sit back and relax. Yeah. So any day you come and own this little boy and show your supporters them, the people that must support you, this little boy, then no come and show you sure. No make our father and me alone and sure alone you see now. You're going to say sure, me, Queenie, I'm a baby father. Deal. So take it. Take that deal there.
One big happy family. Take the deal. If I was you, I'd take it. So we can finally show the internet that this is sure. Take the deal.
Deal or no deal?
Take it.
No deal.
Take it. So please to ask her, deal or no deal? One big happy family I get in front of the camera. That day, I will be out, I will be round at my baby father house. Yep. Round them here I go. Deal? Remember regular we go round there now. Deal or no deal, boo? If I was you, I'd take the deal. Because remember, the whole internet want to see sure. So please to take the deal so we can finally see sure. Take it. Take it so we can finally see her. Take it, mama. Don't say no deal. Take it, please. Because everybody been waiting to see sure. Because sure shall be legendary to blood clot. Imagine. So any day you own him and show we him, me show you sure. If I so be the case, leave sure name out of your mouth. Don't talk about her no more because what the people them for do when them see her talk, them for say about Sky you never take the deal, so you talk about sure. We ask about your son. And everybody who supports Sky Diamond, who is an evil, wicked people just like she. Una tell her say, little girl, go for your son. Little girl, own your son. Uno evil just like her. This little boy is a split image of her. Yeah, man. Me come and say, yes, me give a for me them, but me own them. Did I disown them? Nope. Sure and JR, for me belly pain them there. A for me. But you, disown your one and only own one. So who worse? The mama will give her pity them or the mama will only own one or pity them? Who worse? The mama will give her pity them or the mama will only own one or pity them? Who worse? There's nobody can worse than you, Sky. Cause remember you don't own not your own one, you know. One pitney my officer girl, I'ma get grape. One pitney, one to the liquor boy. One to the liquor boy. Why you not owning him? What are you so scared of to own your son? Come here. I want to reason with you because I'm not cussing. Why are you so scared to own him? Sky, what have let us show you the picture again.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think, cause boy, she ram for dig up people file, you know. So no soon see the baby father, my people. Make a watch some more.
What him do to you? Come on, you're on the for you. You're on a fake page. Him, why you look on him? Him, why you look on? What him do? What him do to you? What him do to you? What him ever did in a life? Why you hate him so much? Somebody asked her why she hate him. Why you hate him so much? What him do you? What him ever did in a life? Why you hate him so much? Him not deserve it. The way how you disown him don't deserve it. What him do? What him do? What him do? What him do in a life? What him do? What this little boy ever did in a life? You're wicked. Him not doing nothing. Whether you not have him or not, own him. It doesn't matter. We understand. Own him. What him do you? What him do you? What him ever did in a life? Him not do nothing for you don't want own him. Nothing him not do for you don't want own him. Nothing. And your friend them need to tell you the truth. Own the little boy. not dear, nothing at all. Nothing at all, him not dear. Oh, you sleep at night time. Oh, you rest. You come on the internet and talk about people, kids. Why you don't own your son? What have he done to you? What? Where dear? Where dear? Sky, where dear? Somebody ask her what the little boy do her. The little boy is so bad. Make me look for them then. Wait. Hold on, baby over here. Me I don't show no. Wait. Don't worry, me show no myself. Wait. Me I look for them in the phone here. Mama look for them and show no. Cause you hate that little boy so much. We don't know what him do to you. Or what him ever do to you. In a life, for you hate him that bad, where you feel for own him. No one own him none at all. But you come here want to talk about sure. Me tell you already, whether me give her sure or not, she's mine. She belongs to me. But I will never disown my kids. Never. Never. Would I never sleep? Would I never find in myself to say me go sleep? Me don't know what me la face so to blood clot for no say me disown my pay them and people come here and tell me about my pitney and sure say me have 2 pitney. Yes, a wicked. The profile lock. Yes, him lock it because him dep on TikTok so him know what's up. Yes, but no problem. Me gonna look for the picture of them phone now and put them on my green screen and show no. Wait. Him sister dep on TikTok, you know. Wait, him sister over here. Wait, chat. Alright. Him sister dep on TikTok. Him sister is on TikTok. I have a sister over here. Who this I say add? Anybody?
Shade, suck out your mama and go for sure. Blood no one can tie them and it's fuck out everybody blood clot. Yes, me. Big pussy girl see me and yes, me. Me say fi go for blood clot sure, go do the test. Big boy, yes, me. Free on your back, fuck out. Life to life now, go work. Fuck out, blood clot. You and princess fuck out, but own your son. Own your son. I am fucking chulu daughter. Princess fuck like she mad. Own your son, girl. Own your son. Own your son. Own your blood clot. Never show the people them so good, girl. Never show them your son. Tell people say I let me show them your son. Suck your mama. Come out of this blood clot. Own your son so good. Where? Let me show the people them your blood clot son. You fucker yo. You never know, some of them gonna know what heap of things. I'm going to burn up your blood clot over here. Now argue with you. Own your son so good, girl. Move. You're too blood clot wicked. You hear the little boy like poison. You know you over here watch. You never know. Me tell you say she watch chat. Me tell you say she watch. Let me show the people them blood clot your son. Move. Your blood clot wicked whore. Own your son. Own your blood clot son. You know I own him. You hear little boy like poison. Me know a banner. She over you. She have to watch me on a fake page because she obsessed with me. She obsessed with me. She have to watch me on a fake page. Own your son. You're too wicked. Every screen record page me I send your son. Them have to make you own him today. Watch me your blood clot. Every screen record page me I send your son. Everyone. Me I put me a collage you and him picture together because the internet have to know say you have a son and you not own him. Every screen record page me I send go give your son. Everybody. You and him picture together.
together. You don't want to own him, but you want to sit down and talk about sure. You want to talk about sure? No problem. You're going to own your son today. Come chat. See our baby father. See little boy father, yeah. Guys, this is the little boy father. Who is this? Chat, who is this? Who is this? This is the little boy father. Trot? Who this? Who this Trot? Trot, come talk to me, no man. Me have no reason, come no man. Who this? You're going to own him blood clot today. Today you own him. You have to own him. Trot? Who this? Who this Trot? Okay, you're going to own him. Today you own him. You're going to own him today. Handsome little boy. You're going to own him today. Own the little boy. Him don't do nothing to you. Wicked mama. Him not do nothing. Own him. Own him sky. Him not do a thing to you. Own him. Why you afraid for own your son?
Yeah,
why?
Yeah, because of the man best friend she didn't breed for me, remember?
Yeah, turbo door. But remember, you have to own him today. So chat, remember, this is the baby father. This is the baby daddy. Yes.
My man friend.
So you see that girl that was telling you say, me no fuck man. Me no fuck man. I grip, me get grip. Lie. This look like grip? Guys, this look like grip? This look like somebody where the man grip her? Tell the truth now, chat. This look like grip?
No, Shade, pineapple.
Okay. Thank you.
Great. It's orange.
Yeah. That look like grip? Oh.
Orange.
Who else you can fool? You want to come talk about my daughter? Me come give the people them your blood clot information. Move. Oh, grip. This look like somebody will get grip. Eh? Moderator black that person, you know? Come about big. Black. Come on for this man. What is? I grip this? For fold your tongue, sir? And hug up the man, sir? I grip this?
Chat, we're gonna sometimes some.
So people, I need this, you know what I mean? I think she did in at the hospital. Nothing, she did in at the hospital. Now she free up. So may I say, so make her watch what she are going with and hear what she has said.
Please. God block you. You name God over evil. Good over evil. You good over evil. Come from half of my chat. Yeah, just hold a block and left you so. You chat too much. You chat too much. So now go force me to sleep. Cause me this tell us me wait me asleep the whole time. Jesus Christ. I hear just some more and go comb me ear. No man, the people tell me say me fi go sleep, me fi go rest. So no want me in a one bed the whole time and just lie down and sleep. That me supposed to do? No man, me not understand no man. You never know, I never know hospital. Really? Where I say facts?
Where you say, Fox? My daughter boiled some tea for me. Jerry Queen, thank you, baby. I am in US. The hospital not close. The hospital not, we're calling, you know. Jerry Queen, thank you so much, Mama. Thank you for the money gun. But I can't follow on up on the comment section, and I will never follow on. God no. It's like you know, just would add more stress to people's stress. Cause I'm not gonna tell a person what to do and whatever to do. Me not go with it with you know. Me not go with it with you know. Me not depend it with you know right now. God, they say if you don't want to rest or you don't want to sleep, go and go sleep. Thank you, baby. Thank you for the rose. If you want to go rest or you want to go and go sleep. Me this I come from hospital. When me lie down on bed the whole time I sleep and them give me something with Josie me out. And make me sleep the whole time. I know me get up in the morning early now. This is something me love. This is something what I love. Hi, baby. What's up? How now go tell me something if you go to sleep and rest? And if you go and go sleep? No, mama. I want to make people sit down and fret, man. Because I don't want to sleep. I don't want no sleep. I get as much sleep, my love. Okay, me hear you. Yes, I was in the hospital the whole time. No, I'm not cuss my people. Them move friends, so me and people them not cuss. I don't even know you. Me and my people them not cuss. So go on where you go. You not come here so. Yeah, I'm doing alright. Chat, back on some tabs, please. Alright, go going. Yeah, may be strong, may I try, but it's a lot, bro. It's a lot. I just cut off and just hold my head high. You understand? That's all I have to do. Just hold your head high.